Ostriches, giant birds. Focus question. What advantage and disadvantage does the ostrich have because of its size? A very big bird. The, the ostrich the ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Most ostriches are taller than the tallest people. Ostriches have wings and feathers.
Ostriches.
Ostriches have wings and feathers, but they can't fly. An ostrich can run fast and far. It is the fastest animal with two legs. It runs faster than most four-legged animals. Eyes on the prize. Ostriches have small heads with big eyes. Their eyes are bigger than those of any other land animal. Home sweet home. Most wild ostriches live in Africa. They live in small herds of 10 or more birds. Ostriches use teamwork to stay safe. Their sharp eyes and long necks help them spot danger from far away. What's on the menu? Ostriches eat grass, other plants and fruit. They also eat bugs and other small animals. Ostriches don't drink much water. They get water from the plants and fruit they eat. What makes an ostrich a bird? All birds have a backbone, have feathers, have wings, have a bill, lay eggs, are warm-blooded. Look out, run. Lions and centipedes hunt ostriches for food. Ostriches must be on the lookout. Their long neck help them look far. They have strong legs and big feet. An ostrich can kick very hard. Its kick can kill a lion. Ostriches make a loud noise when they see a lion. The noise warns other animals that lions are near. From big egg to big bird, a male ostrich digs a shallow pit in the dirt for the nest. The mother lays her eggs in the pit. In 6 weeks, baby ostriches hatch from the eggs. The baby ostrich is the size of the grown chicken. An ostrich grows about 1 foot, 30 centimeters per month. In 6 months, the baby ostrich will be grown. It can live for 15 years or no more. Conclusion: ostriches are special birds. They are strong and fast animals. Fast ostriches are bigger than any other birds. Goodbye.